Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redirect Amazon affiliate links to any country automatically. So first step you simply need to do is to open Amazon Associate, and you need to open this one, Amazon Associate Central. So once this website is open, you simply need to click on tools and click on one link. So once you are here you can see that manage countries. Click on that, and here you need to click on add countries and select all the countries and click on next. And once you click on that, all countries will be added. And after that, once you share the one link anywhere, you can get the affiliate commission from this all countries as well with this new feature of one link. Here you can see that I added all the countries, and once someone buy from my link, I can get commission from all these countries. So this is a process how you can redirect Amazon affiliate links to any country automatically. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.